Hey y'all, I'm Ricky from RV Underway. Perhaps you already know from Facebook, social media, or perhaps YouTube. Several months ago, I was diagnosed with stage 4 lung cancer. It had spread to my brain and my bones. And me and Miss Barbara wanted to make a series of updates, videos to help our family and friends understand this journey. We're going to put them into a playlist and we're going to call it Our RV Cancer Detour. Now it's a different kind of journey where the road sign up ahead says, prepare to stay a while. So we're here at the Dothan RV Park in Dothan, Alabama. Been here a couple of months. We're going to stay here through several chemo treatments and radiation. So we just wanted again to let our family and friends know what we're going through with this health crisis. The playlist again will be called Our RV Cancer Detour. Some of them are going to be long, some of them are going to be short, and you know how I am about editing. I'm not a fan of jump cuts, but you're going to see a lot of jump cuts because this is not an entertaining video. This is an informative video. We just want to keep you informed, and we want to thank everybody for reaching out to us on Facebook, on YouTube, email, the rest of the social media. We thank you for your prayers, your sincere thoughts of healing, and we thank you again for being our friends on YouTube. We actually just went over 5,000 subscribers, and I haven't put out a video since the Jingle Beard Rock back in late November down at Fiesta Key in the Florida Keys. So again, thank you so very much. So what we're going to do is go ahead after this introduction, which you're getting now. We're going to go ahead and put up update number 1. And some of them were hard for us. And if you don't feel good about watching them, it's perfectly fine. Just a way of keeping everybody updated as we go through this journey together, me and Miss Barbara. Thank you again for the prayers, sincere thoughts. We love you guys. Here's the updates.